Ato karon pangayoon ang panabang sa mga santos aron iampo nila si Sida Chibel France nga magdako siya nga buutan, himsog, o kanunay nga magmasulundon siyang maginikanan.
Si Z. France Samoa, there's a lot of question why behind those doubts para nako is makaigon ko Miss Sansan nganuman.
The sun will shine on you wherever you go, wherever you go. And when it gets dark, stay strong. You never
One and only Humpy Dumpia, as I call him. I want to take this opportunity to tell you just how you mean to me and how proud I am as your mother.
sun kiss your cheek, feel the earth on your feet.
Baby Z, happy first birthday and welcome to the Christian world.
Sunshine, everything is alright. Step